Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we are showing you the Moflow Airbox Lid from Pro-Tec. All right everyone, thank you for checking in. So today we are showing you this Moflow Airbox Lid from Pro-Tec. This is a very popular upgrade that a lot of sport ATV riders like to make, and there's two big benefits to installing one of these. So first of all, if you've done any sort of modifications to your ATV for performance, maybe done aftermarket exhaust, a big bore kit, things that require more airflow, this will help you get that. This replaces the stock airbox lid that you have on there. Utilize your OEM cam locks, but you drop this on, and you'll notice that on here it's using a screen mesh material that allows a lot more airflow to go through than the stock airbox lid. A lot of sport ATVs just have that snorkel on top of the airbox. It's pretty closed off. You're not getting that much air coming through. This will really open that up and help it out. An example of that is we did a Honda TRX 450ER bike build or ATV build not too long ago. We did a big bore kit on there, had an exhaust. We threw one of these on there. We had to do some rejetting. Keep that in mind too, that anytime you're adding additional airflow or doing modifications to your ATV, it may require you to change up the jetting, so just remember that. But this definitely helped get more performance out of that ATV. So that's the first benefit. The other is that this kind of acts as a pre-filter to your air filter, because once you have this installed, you can see with this screen mesh, it's going to help filter out a lot of the larger particles that could possibly get into your airbox. So that's another big benefit that you get. Like I said, very easy to install. You just take your stock airbox off, you put this one on in its place. This is made from laser cut aluminum, so the fit on these is really good. And again, to know if it'll fit your machine is simple. Just enter the year, make, and model on the product page. But if you do have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answered. Don't take my word for it. Go to the product page and read rider reviews and see what other people are saying that have this installed on their ATV. Orders over $75, ship free. If you like this video, make sure to get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. Also, we have some other great sport ATV content, so check out the videos that we've done for that as well. As always, hit that notification bell, stay up to date, and do yourself a favor. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.